In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very cute wall hanging. In this project, I have used MDF board and Fevicryl molded air dry clay. I have made small pebbles out of the clay and stuck it on top of the MDF board and converted it into a very cute wall hanging. If you want to learn how to make this, then follow this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hi, I'm Shabori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. We will take the MDF board and at first paint it with gesso white. You will have to spread the gesso evenly on top of the surface of the MDF board in this manner and wait till it dries up completely. The outline of your painting on top of it as it dries up, and then we will start the clay art. We will take Fevicryl molded and mix the hardener and the resin base together to form a white colored dough. We will take small portion of the dough and convert it into a pebble like shape and stick it on top of the faces of the couple in this way. Slightly flatten it on the surface with your fingertip. And after that we will be making the heart. So take two small portion of the clay and stick it on top of the outline of the heart and just make the surface of the heart uniform by slightly tapping on it with little bit of water on the fingertip. Complete the remaining 3 hearts too and wait for 3 to 4 hours until it dries up completely. Then paint a white color on top of the clay portion. After the white color has dried up, we will start painting on top of our work using the acrylic colors. So we are drawing a snowy night. So you can draw it and paint it based on your imagination. You can follow my painting as it is, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. We will add all the remaining details to our painting, and the painting is now completely done. We will now just simply add a string on top of the MDF board. So I have already drilled on the top portion in this manner, and now I will be adding the string through these holes and then just tie a double knot at the back side. And our wall hanging is now completely ready. It is very cute, and I hope you like this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.